Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, today's video, as you can see, is going to be regarding the rear interior LED dome light in the back of the Silverado ZR2, guys. So you can see that this is super dull. I hope it does it justice on camera, but it is super dark back here. I hope it's doing it justice, but these dome lights are not very bright at all. So what we picked up from Boost Auto was the rear interior LED dome light, and this is a newer product from Boost Auto. And as you guys can see, 2019 plus Silverado and the Sierra trucks. This is what the light looks like. Okay, obviously you can see it's more area, more space than these guys up here. This is the factory ones, and I hope it does justice on camera if it'll focus. But you can see it's not the entirety of the light here. So we'll install these ones and show you the difference and show you how, first of all, how easy it is to install these. And guys, there's the product again. We picked these up from Boost Auto Parts. Guys, like all the other products we have from them, probably going to be a winner. So we'll start the install, show you what the install process is like, and then show you the end result for these new dome lights. Stay tuned. Guys, stay tuned for the end of the video to show the result of the new lights that were put in. But if you guys are looking for a set of these LED dome lights from Boost Auto, the rear LED interior dome lights, we're going to have a link in the description. You can click on, pick yourself up a set of these. You won't regret it. Okay guys, the next step is going to be pulling this light down. As you can see, we've already done it. It sits up like this, and all you're going to do, you're just going to pull it down. You can use a screwdriver if you like, and just pry it down. Or you can honestly just even use your hands, which is what we did, and just pry the front down. The front will come down, and then you can see, I'll flip it around here, it's going to be connected with a harness as well back here. So of course you have to pull out the tab, and then just your typical harnesses, just like the light switches in the engine bay. But it just clips on with these two clips, and then it's just got the harness. So we're going to disconnect that harness, and then we'll show you the install of the new light here. Stay tuned. Okay, so step 3, ladies and gentlemen, is take down the old light. As you can see, this is the old light. This is the new Boost Auto light. You guys can see obviously LED, but you can see the small little bulbs in there. It's pretty tiny, whereas this one is going to be the entirety of the light there. So we disconnected it. As you can see on the back, it's the same, 2 clips, and then the harness goes in on this side. But you can see, pretty simple. I mean, they're basically obviously the same size because they have to fit in. But you can see here the tab, we can get the light on it. The tab here is you just pull out the red tab and then push in on the little black button, and then just pull it down and it'll come right out. So now we'll show you the install of the new light. Going in, you'll just put the tab in, just click it in, and then clip it up into the 2 clips that are there as well. Okay, so it's that pretty simple. We'll put this in, we'll connect it, and we'll push it up, and then we'll show you guys the final result for the new Boost Auto interior dome lights. Okay, so final step has been completed. The new Boost Auto lights are in, clip was pushed in, and all you do is push the light up into the slots that it already has, guys. Super simple, really no effort needed at all. And we have the old, as you can see, a little dark back here, but we'll turn on the lights in a second. You can see the old interior dome light, and then you can see the new ones. And guys, we'll show you, press the middle of it here, you can see they turn on, and wow, what a difference. I mean, guys, that's night and day, literally. It was super dark back here before, and now I'm showing you around, guys. It's so much brighter back here. And I hope it does it justice, because in person, like, you stare at these things too long and you're gonna be seeing stars. That's how bright it is. So I'll see if I can pan around and show you, but it is so much brighter back here. Like, you can see everything super clear. And if you rewind the video, you can see how these were at the beginning. So, I mean, what a difference. Like, that's not even close to the factory ones. And like I said before, this is the full entirety of the lighting space inside, whereas the old one was, you can see where the LED bulb is there, and it doesn't light up the entire thing very well. You can see that with that one. But guys, that is night and day. Leave your comments down below. Let us know what you think. I would highly recommend you pick up a set of the interior LED dome lights from Boost Auto. That's what it looks like. And guys, in person, it is super bright. And I know obviously the tint back here is making it seem a little bit darker, but even with these lights, it is it's night and day. So buy a set. If I were you, I would strongly recommend these. It's a huge difference. It's a cheap interior mod that makes a huge difference back here. So just pick yourself up one, do yourself a favor. Okay guys, and as you can see, it speaks for itself. It's so much brighter back here. So drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Comment down below if you have these already, or if you're thinking about why the factory ones were so dull, and here's your solution. So leave your comments down below, subscribe if you're new, lots of new content coming, and drop a like guys. We'll see you all in the next video.